Approved for processing. Here is your copy.
All right, start the unloading procedure now.
Sigue derecho, despacio. Aquí está bien, bájalo.
Good consistency. Approved for extraction.
Batch size 128 kgs base paste, sugar 4.8 kg, salt,
eye on the feed rate for line 1. Looks steady at 8 seconds per pail. Check the next batch coming in.
Passpreve approved.
Copy that. Dispatch. Batch TM1216A, pallet 1 received.
Over. Confirmation on D12.
Operator 12, ensure FIFO priority is updated on the tag. Approved.
Retail pallet TM1216ARO1, complete 1325. Destination warehouse zone R, ship priority standard.
Bulk line running 85% of target. Need to investigate bottleneck at palletizing robot.
The viscosity reading seems slightly high on this sample.
Let's run it again to confirm the texture profile.
Transporting the 300 kilograms of seeds to the washing station now. Over.
All right, team. Our afternoon target's 42 units. Remember to stay alert for forklift traffic on the floor.
Loading dock 3, clear the way.
Okay, let's verify this shipment. 2 bulk, 1 retail. Seal it up.
Everything is loaded and secured. Please sign the bill of lading here.
All right. Do you have the route instructions for me?
Yes, drive safe.
Control, Gate 1. Vehicle ABC 789 is dispatched at 1452. Seal intact. Clear.
Good afternoon. This is the TM1217 shipment, correct? We'll get started on the quality check now.
The seal is replaced. Rotation is smooth.
Confirm the tension is within limits. I'll update the log now.
Pre-rinse initiating. Caustic wash active. Final rinse commencing. CIP complete. Approved for production.
All green across the board, sir. Temperatures and pH are spot on.
Good work. Let's get these filed.
Good tartness. Stevia aftertaste minimal. Color acceptable. Requires viscosity adjustment.
Remember the GMP guidelines, especially regarding jewelry and hand washing. Now,
Testing, testing.
This is safety. Radio check. Everything looks good here.
Yes, we can supply 50 pallets bulk concentrate. Delivery next week. I'll send COA and pricing today.
For beverage application, dilute 120 ratio, adjust sweetness with sugar or sweetener, target final.
Yes, I have the halal certificate and the certificate of origin ready for the Dubai shipment. We are cleared for loading.
Watch the alignment on the left side. Got it. Secure that corner first. Manifest shows we are exactly halfway now.
Carton count 250. Check. Temperature setting 18 degrees Celsius. Check. Strapping secure. Tension adequate. Check.
Continue on the highway for 80 kilometers. The estimated travel time is 1.5 hours.
Batch TM1216 complete. TM1217 in soaking.
Line 1 normal, line 2 jam cleared, line 3 downtime at 19.
Quality, no issue.
Copy that. Check pail feeder alignment. Appears to be causing delays.
Just confirming the raw material delivery for 8 a.m. tomorrow.
Perfect, thank you.
The reading is below 10 RLU. We are clear for production.
Line 3 verification complete. All systems green.
Confirmed. Approved for production restart.
We need more pallets at the shipping dock now.
Attention production team, ensure continuous flow to the packaging lines. Great work, everyone.
Welcome to the lobby. We are very proud of our team and our work with the local Tamarind farmers. Now, let's get you set up with safety gear for the tour.
Our BRCGS grade demonstrates essential customer confidence. Please ensure the readiness checklist is complete.
We've seen incredible growth in the Middle East this quarter. Let's leverage that momentum for the upcoming Asia Expo and grow it.
And get up by a further spread. What recipes am I doing?
The projected ROI on the new processing lines supports the 50% capacity increase.
This organic concentrate has a darker color and more intense flavor, positioning it as premium. And the powder
The sensor data confirms the bearing temperature increase on P205.
All right, I see the replacement is already scheduled for the next window. Excellent work.
I started entry level, received training, promoted to line supervisor.
Challenging work, ensuring product safety.
Evening shift complete. All non-50 operations. Batch TM1217 in tanks ready for morning processing.